In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create task dependencies in Clickup, a powerful tool that enhances project management and ensures efficient workflow coordination. When managing complex projects, understanding task dependencies is crucial as it allows you to map out which tasks need to be completed before others can begin. And in Clickup, there are multiple ways to establish these dependencies effectively. First, let's dive into using the Relationships menu within a task. Begin by opening the task where you want to create a dependency link. You'll notice a set of ellipses or three dots in the upper right corner of the task window. Clicking on these dots will reveal a menu. Select Relationships from this list. This option allows you to add dependencies, which we can define as either waiting on or blocking. Waiting on indicates that the current task is pending the completion of another task, while blocking suggests that this task must be completed before another can start. Once you've selected the appropriate option, go ahead and search for the task you wish to link it to. This added relationship will be visible within the task details, providing a clear indication of the dependency. Now, let's move on to the Gantt view, another excellent way to manage dependencies visually. In the Gantt chart for your project, hover over the task you want to set as the starting point. You'll see a connector icon appear. By clicking and dragging this icon to another task, you establish a dependency relationship. Remember that the direction you drag the connector determines the nature of the dependency, whether the first task is dependent on the completion of the second or vice versa. Once you've determined the correct direction, simply release the mouse button to set the dependency in place. A few important points to bear in mind when working with Gantt view and task dependencies. The direction of the dependency is crucial. Especially in the Gantt view, it determines which task must be completed for another to commence. If you reschedule or change the due date of a task that has dependencies, Clickup automatically adjusts the dates of the related tasks accordingly, ensuring timeline consistency. Additionally, Clickup provides a comprehensive visual representation of these dependencies in two main areas: the task details and the Gantt chart. These visual cues offer an immediate understanding of how tasks interrelate, making it easier to track progress and anticipate potential bottlenecks. And if you're managing extensive projects with numerous dependencies, Clickup offers versatile methods to create these links. Whether by using the plus icon in the sidebar, exploring the overview area, or even tackling them in bulk through the multitask toolbar, you have the freedom to choose the approach that best matches your workflow. By following these steps, you can expertly manage task dependencies in Clickup, streamlining your project execution and keeping everyone on the same page. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.